Hello, welcome to Dear Teacher Lizal. We have here a 5-item quiz. Let's have a quick review on when are we going to use these phrasal verbs. Work for is followed by a name of a company or the employer. For example, I work for Mr. Jones. I work for Miss Smith. I work for Microsoft. I work for Google. Next is work in. When we say work in, it is followed by a place where the person works. I work in a restaurant. He works in a factory. Work as is followed with a job position. She works as a manager. He works as an engineer. They work as factory workers. So now let's start answering this 5-item quiz. Let's start with number 1. She blank, marketing manager at a multinational company. Our clue here is marketing manager. Is this a name of a company? Is it a place? Or is it a job position? Marketing manager is a job position. Therefore, we should be using work as. She works as a marketing manager at a multinational company. Number 2, John is a software engineer and he blanks Google. So our clue is Google. Google is a company, a place, or a job position. It's a company name. Therefore, we should be using work for. And he works for Google. Number 3, I have always wanted to blank a non-profit organization that helps children. So our clue is a non-profit organization. Is this a company, a place, or a job position? This is a company. Therefore, we should be saying, I have always wanted to work for a non-profit organization that helps children. Number 4, Maria blank a hospital, helping patients as a nurse. So, our clue is hospital. Is this a company? Is this a place? Or is it a job position? Hospital is a place. And when we say place, we should be using work in. So, Maria works in a hospital, helping patients as a nurse. Number 5, they both blank the same company. The clue here is the same company. So is this work for, work in, or work as? Write your answers in the comment section and I will check if you got the correct answer. So thanks a lot for tuning in with me. Once again, I am Lee saying, keep learning. Practice makes perfect. Have a good day and please take care. Bye-bye.